Okay, so now we're going to use the product to sum formulas. There are more than one, and we're going to use a few here to help us answer the questions that I have. So I have first cosine 2 theta times cosine 4 theta. And so the product to sum formula is, so if I have cosine of alpha times cosine of beta, these are just two different angles. I have 1/2 times the cosine of alpha minus beta plus the cosine of alpha plus beta. So let's plug in what we have. So we have cosine 2 theta and cosine 4 theta. So we get 1/2 and cosine of 2 theta minus 4 theta plus cosine of 2 theta plus 4 theta. All right, so cosine 2 theta cosine 4 theta is equal to 1/2 times the cosine of negative 2 theta plus the cosine of 6 theta. Now we have to remember that cosine is an even function, so if I put in a negative number, I'm still going to get positive back out. So I get cosine 2 theta plus cosine of 6 theta. I can either leave it like this, or I can rewrite it as 1/2 cosine 2 theta plus 1/2 cosine 6 theta. Either way is acceptable. So basically I just multiplied that 1/2 through. All right, let's do another one. Let's try sine of x plus y times cosine of x minus y. And so the formula that I'm going to use will be sine of alpha times cosine of beta is equal to 1/2 times the sine of alpha plus beta plus the sine of alpha minus beta. Okay, so we'll plug in what we have. So sine of x plus y plus x minus y plus the sine of x plus y minus x plus y, because I had to multiply that negative through. So for the people that need to see that step, so we have x plus y minus an x minus y. Well, this negative has to be multiplied through here, so that's going to give me x plus y minus x plus y. So that's how I got that, just for the people that need to see it again. Don't want to go too fast. And so I get 1/2 of sine, my y's cross out, so I get 2x plus sine, this time it looks like my x's cross out, of 2y, and I can leave it like this, or I can rewrite it as 1/2 sine 2x plus 1/2 sine 2y. And basically, again, all I did is multiply that 1/2 through. Either answer is acceptable. All right, let's try one more. This time, let's find an exact value. So we're going to use one that we've already done before. So let's do cosine 11 pi over 12 times cosine pi over 12. We already know the formula. We just set this one. We just did this one. So we're going to plug it into our formula. And so we get cosine of 11 pi over 12 minus pi over 12 plus cosine of 11 pi over 12 plus pi over 12. And so that equals 1/2 times the cosine of 10 pi over 12 plus the cosine of 12 pi over 12. And so I have to reduce always. So I get cosine of 5 pi over 12 plus the cosine of pi. All right, so now I get to use my unit circle. And I don't have a picture of it, but hopefully you have a picture of it, and you can, or you can recall that when I look at my unit circle, the cosine of 5 pi over 12, sorry, not 12, that's not supposed to be a 12, this is supposed to be so sorry, a 6. I reduced it. So cosine of 5 pi over 6 is going to give me cosine, oops, sorry, not, goodness gracious. It's going to give me negative square root 3 over 2 plus cosine of pi is negative 1. All right, so now I need to evaluate. I need some more space. So first I will do a semi-parentheses because I have to follow the order of operations. So that's negative root 3 over 2 plus, we'll say negative 2 over 2. Okay, so I get 1/2. So that's negative root 3. And I just changed that negative 1/2 to negative 2 over 2, which is still negative 1. I'm sorry, I changed the negative 1 to negative 2 over 2, which is still negative 1. So I get negative 1, negative root 3 minus 2 all over 2. And I just put it under the same denominator. Now I can multiply that 1/2 through, and I get negative root 3 minus 2 over 4. And so there is my exact answer, and I hope that this helps.